students. In this video, we are going to do the project Secure Door with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that, we need RFID module with a card, servo motor, jumper wires, and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project, we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect the RFIDs STA and SCK to Arduino pins D10 and D13. Connect the RFIDs MISO and MOSI pins to Arduino pins D12 and D11. RFIDs RST and ground pins to Arduino pins D9 and ground. Connect the RFIDs 3.3 volt to Arduino pin 3.3 volt. Connect the servo motor VCC pin to Arduino pin 5 volt. The ground to Arduino pin ground. The common pin to Arduino pin T3. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE as shown in our Arduino IDE tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see if the RFID reader scans a tag and based on its authorization, the servo motor rotates to open the door. For example, many office buildings use RFID secure doors for employee access. Employees scan RFID cards or fobs to unlock the doors. Thank you.